Developments tonight in the drama surrounding the cliffhanger between State Senator Antoine Thompson and attorney Mark Grisanti. Today, the heated battle landed in court. News 4's Al Waters brings us this story. Al?
An army of lawyers and elections officials set off to decide the winner in a close race with statewide implications. Democrat Antoine Thompson and Republican Mark Grisanti ran neck and neck in Tuesday's race for the Senate. But with thousands of votes still uncounted, the election now heads to court.
Yes, Your Honor, this is a new system, so I think those of us who've been doing it for decades still have a lot to learn.
Martin Connor, a Brooklyn lawyer representing Thompson, is considered an expert in the field. Because the 60th Senatorial District straddles Erie and Niagara counties, the lawyers agreed to argue the case in Niagara County.
At the process of counting the ballots, not only do we have the election night results, but we have over 2,000 absentee ballots which have already been returned to the Board of Elections to count, plus an undetermined amount of emergency and affidavit ballots.
Now the boards of elections for both counties, their attorneys, and lawyers for Grisanti and Thompson are hammering out the ground rules for counting the ballots, many of them coming in well after Tuesday's elections.
Such as the military and absentee ballots. There are always affidavit ballots where people show up to the polls, they're named for one reason or another, maybe because they have moved. We're not in the poll book that have legitimate rights to vote.
The lawyers will then argue which ballots are valid and which ones are not.
I've never been involved in something like this, and I've worked at the board for 13 years. We've had local races that are in court, but not a Senate or Assembly race.
Elections officials say if the ballots from the machines have to be hand counted, it could take until next year to declare a winner. Al Waters, News 4 at 5.